today in class 10th we will learn the energy transformation. So the forms of energy. Number 1, electrical energy, chemical energy, heat energy, nuclear energy, light energy, sound energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. These two energies combinedly called mechanical energy. So first we will see electrical energy. Electrical energy, or it is also known as electromagnetic energy. So the electricity which comes to our home, that is called electrical energy. So with the help of electrical energy, our electrical appliance used to start. So what is electrical energy? The power lines carry electromagnetic energy into your home in the form of electricity. So electricity is electrical energy. Next is chemical energy. So we have seen that different type of chemical used to liberate energy, like burning of crackers, like food, like acids, they have energy. So chemical energy is required to bond atoms together. So what is actually the chemical energy? The bonds between the atoms is the actual chemical energy. When bonds are broken, energy is released. When these bonds are broken up, then the energy is released. Fuel and food are forms of stored chemical energy. Next is heat energy. Different type of heat energy we must have observed. By rubbing your hand, heat is released. Means lighting the candle, heat is liberated. When we stir the stove, heat is liberated. So the internal motion of the atom is called the heat energy. Every substance having molecule or atoms, they actually move from one place to another place. So the internal motion of atom is known as heat energy. Heat energy can be produced by friction, by rubbing your hand. Heat energy causes change in temperature and phase of any form of matter. Next is nuclear energy. So the energy possessed by the nucleus of atom known as nuclear energy. The nucleus of an atom is the source of nuclear energy. When the nucleus splits, means it splits in two or more than two parts, which is also known as fission, nuclear energy is released. Next, nuclear energy is also released when the nuclei collide, means when two lighter nucleus combine with each other, they also liberate energy. Next is light energy. What is light energy? A form of energy that travels in wave, means the energy travels in the form of wave from to sun to earth, that is called light energy. It does not require material medium to propagate. Next is sound energy. The sound, actually it is the vibration of the material medium. A form of energy produced by the vibrating object, that is called sound energy. Now, potential energy. The energy possessed by the body due to its position from the free surface of earth known as potential energy. So potential energy is stored energy, stored chemical in fuel and nucleus of atom and in food, or stored because of the work done on it, like stretching a rubber band, winding a watch, pulling back on a bow's arrow, lifting a brick high in the air. These all are the form of potential energy. Next is kinetic energy. So the energy possessed by the body due to its motion known as kinetic energy. So we know we must have studied these all things, that the kinetic energy having the formula half mass into square of velocity. Actually it is the square of velocity must be there. So these all are the kind of the energy. Now we will study the energy transformation, means how the different types of energies are transformed. So energy transformation is the change from one form to energy to another form. This is called energy transformation. Like chemical to mechanical, mechanical to chemical, electrical to chemical. These all are the transformation. Let's see the first question. Energy can exist in several forms and may change from one form to another. For each of the following state the energy change that occur. We are giving some question, you have to tell that what type of energy transformation takes place? Like in first, the unwinding of watch spring. Our watch having some springs, so what type of energy causes by the spring of the watch? It causes potential energy or stressed potential energy. The second, unloaded truck when started and set in motion. So truck moves due to the engine, and engine works on the energy of petrol or diesel, and diesel and petrol are chemical, and the motion of the truck is known as mechanical motion, or you can say mechanical energy. So motion of truck, that is chemical energy of the petrol or diesel, converts into mechanical energy or kinetic energy. First, which we had studied, that potential energy of wound up spring converts into kinetic energy. Third, a car going uphill. Uphill means gaining the potential energy. Due to the kinetic energy, the car moves up to the hill. So this is the transformation of energy of kinetic to potential. Kinetic energy to potential energy. Third, photosynthesis in green leaves. Photosynthesis, light energy change into chemical energy. Next, charging of a battery. Charging of battery, we give electric energy and it converts into chemical change. So electrical energy change into chemical energy. Next is respiration, that is chemical energy change into heat energy. Burning of matchstick, chemical energy change into heat and light energy. Explosion of cracker, chemical energy change into heat, light and sound energy.